Hello everybody. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up the social media primitive. So the first thing you need is so there's two ways you can do it. If you're going to make it dynamic based on user, so every user, they need to have the columns for each social media that you want to include. You can see here I set a link column for LinkedIn, for X, for Instagram, and so on. Okay, so that's the first thing you need if you want to show the social media per user. Okay, so let's see how I set it up. I go here, my profile, and you can see here I have these buttons or these icons. This is called the social media primitive, and if you go to data, you can see that I can choose the data for each social media, and I can also add new ones. Okay, I can choose here from the list, and I can add new ones. So if you're going to call it from the user table, then all you have to do is click here and then user table data, and then you choose the column, the appropriate column. But there's another way to do it. This is for when you're going to do a dynamic data coming from the user table. But if you want to do it just for the website or for the app, you can also create a generic social media primitive. So let's see how it looks like. It's the same primitive, but this time it's just hard-coded URL. Okay, it's not coming from dynamic data or from anywhere else. It's just, you just put the data here and it's going to show like this, and you can add more links if you want. Right now I only have 2 links. So yeah, this is how you set up social media primitive. I hope you found this helpful.